What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you. I'm doing a 100% honest review on my aunt's new slime shop. She hasn't even opened the shop yet. She's actually opening it tomorrow. So I'm really excited to show you all the slimes that she's going to be stocking and reviewing them, letting you all know what I think, and yeah. If you're really excited for the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you very, very much. You already know what it is. You are my best pal. You all have your post notifications on. You are subscribed, of course, and you always comment using hashtag unicorn fam, and I love you for that. If you would like a comment shout out in one of my videos, all you have to do is obviously subscribe. You have to be a unicorn. It's like exclusive. Make sure you comment down below using hashtag unicorn fam, and also turn on your post notifications. My baby Holden just had surgery, and you all have been asking me about him. He's doing very well and recovering nicely. Just wanted to let you all know, if this video gets to like 5,000 thumbs up, I will wear one of these e-collars for 24 hours. If y'all want to see that, let a brother know. I also just want to do a really quick disclaimer. Yes, I am reviewing my aunt's slime shop. Yes, she is family, but I am still going to be 100% honest. I did help her out with some of the slimes, just kind of letting her know what I would do in this situation or what I would do with this situation. But the recipes are pretty much all her own. She did it herself, so I'm actually really excited. I felt a couple of the slimes before, so it's not gonna be like my first time ever feeling one of them, but you know, it's gonna be good. Anyways, I'm excited to show you all the slime, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so obviously KitKat did not have to give me this entire slime package inside of a box or anything like that because she lives really close to me. However, she just wanted to show you all kind of the experience that she gives when she's going to send out her package, just because she's very extra like that, and presentation is like everything to her. So of course, in this little pink mesh bag that she got, which I think are super cute, they included her business cards. On the back of her business card, it actually has slime instructions. Also came with a teaspoon of borax, a KitKat bar, obviously because it's Slimes by KitKat, and then she also included a Dum Dum Pop as well because those are her favorite lollipops. So I thought the bag was really cute. I've never really seen anybody do something like that, so I think that is super cute. And then of course, inside the box, there are the slimes. So the first slime we're going to go ahead and start off with today is New York Style Cheesecake, and I really did enjoy this one. The scent is so good. It smells just like a fresh baked cheesecake, and it's just a really nice, thick, and glossy texture. It's just really good. The color has a little bit of yellow in it just to kind of represent, you know, the cheesecake kind of color, and it was really nice, very clicky, and had great bubble pops. The next slime that KitKat sent me was Apple Pie, which is a jelly cube slime, which is really cool. It's actually scented like apple pie as well, which I thought was really nice because the slime actually stayed clear for her. I don't know how she really did it, but it did. And I just thought it was super cool. There's brown glitters throughout this as well as the jelly cubes, and it's just really nice to actually poke the cubes. The slime base itself is a really nice clear slime base as well, and I just really liked it. Next up, there is a duo that's actually inspired by Kit Kat's favorite type of cake, which is just a regular classic yellow cake. Some people know it as butter cake, and then some chocolate frosting as well. So the 2 ounce is the chocolate frosting, which is actually chocolate frosting scented, and it is a butter slime, which is really nice and spreadable. Obviously, we all know what a butter slime is. And then the other slime is a 4 ounce of the swirled, or not swirled, it's layered, I'm sorry. It's actually a cloud cream, and it is scented like the yellow butter cake. And then the other little layers are the exact same, just the butter slime that is chocolate buttercream scented. It's really, really good, and when you mix it all together, it is one of my favorite textures right now, which is the buttercream type of texture, or butter snow is like what some people like to call it. So yeah, it's just really nice. I liked it. This next one here is called Lemon Berry Crunch Cake, and this is just a regular type of foam. It actually had these small blue beads and the large blue beads as well to represent the blueberries, I'm guessing. And it was just really nice. It's scented like lemon berry, so that's good, and it's definitely very, very crunchy. And those large and small beads give it, you know, a good bubble pop. It was really good. And the last slime we're going to be reviewing for Slimes by Kit Kat is actually called Yummy Yummy Goodness, which is a really cool unscented clear slime. It is a pink colored clear slime, and mine had a little cake slice at the bottom of it, a little charm. It was really cute. I really loved the texture of both of her clear slimes for them being like one of her first clear slimes, because she has made some before, but this was like one of the first ones, you know what I mean? And they were really, really good, nice and thick, and just awesome. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this review for Slimes by KitKat. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. If you've gotten this far in the video, I don't know why you're not subscribed. Just go ahead and do it. Come join the fam. Holden is just so over wearing this cone, like, and I feel so bad, so I'm sorry. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Say bye!
Hand in hand we run.